Followers on TikTok. Welcome again. I want to tell you how you can get followers on TikTok. To increase your followers on TikTok, consider implementing the following strategies. Number 1, consistent and high quality content. Post regularly and consistently to keep your audience engaged. Create content that is entertaining, unique, and visually appealing. Focus on your strengths and showcase your talents or skills. Number 2, trending challenges and hashtags. Participate in popular TikTok challenges and utilize relevant hashtags to increase the discoverability or visibility of your content. Joining trending challenges can expose your videos to a wider audience. Number 3 is to engage with others. Interact with the TikTok community by commenting, liking, and sharing videos from other creators. Engage with your followers by responding to their comments and messages. Collaboration with other TikTokers can also help expand your reach. Number 4, utilize TikTok features. Take advantage of TikTok's features such as duets, stitches, and reaction videos. These features also allow you to engage with other creators' content, collaborate, and gain exposure to their followers. Number 5 is follow TikTok trends. Stay up to date with the latest TikTok trends, sounds, and effects. By incorporating popular trends into your videos, you increase the likelihood of content being discovered and also shared. Number 6 is to cross-promote on other platforms. Promote your TikTok account on other social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube. Direct your existing followers to your TikTok profile and encourage them to follow you there as well. Number 7 is to have engaging thumbnails and captions. Pay attention to your video thumbnails and captions as they can attract viewers' attention. Use captivating thumbnails and compelling captions that encourage viewers to watch your content. Collaborate with influencers. Collaborate with other TikTok influencers or creators in your niche. Collaborative videos can help expose your content to the followers and vice versa, leading to mutual growth. Number 9 is to share user-generated content. Encourage your followers to create content using your branded hashtag or participate in challenges related to your niche. Sharing user-generated content helps foster a sense of community and can attract more followers. Number 10, stay active and engaged. Regularly engage with your followers by responding to comments, direct messages, and engaging in discussions. Show appreciation for your followers' support and make them feel valued. Remember, building a strong following takes time and effort. Stay consistent, be authentic, and create content that resonates with your target audience. I must say this, that you need to be original. When you're copying something, you cannot be like what you're copying. But when you're original, you're original. And once people like you, they like you. Make your content to be rich also. I'm going to talk to you some other time and bring you another content on how to maximize TikTok. See you soon.